Hi everyone. Today, we will show you how to use Microsoft Teams in Mozilla Firefox. Whether we are joining meetings, chatting with our team, or working together on files, Firefox lets us use Microsoft Teams right in the browser without needing to install the desktop app. Now, let's get started. On the desktop, we open the Mozilla Firefox browser. We just need to click the Firefox browser. Once we have it open, we search for Microsoft Teams. We just have to click our Firefox browser. Once it is open, we search for Microsoft Teams. We go to the Microsoft Teams website. Here, we click to log in with our Gmail account. We get the code and type it in the field. Once we log in, we sign in. Let Microsoft Teams load. We can now sign in and join the meeting. We just need to wait for it to load. Almost there. Now, we are on Microsoft Teams. It will ask us to turn on notifications so we get notified. Click Allow. We can invite team members, chat with anyone, see people, and add people here. We can also join Meet, and that's how we use Microsoft Teams in Mozilla Firefox. Make sure the browser is updated for the best performance and compatibility.